Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of the contact details page in LeadCenter. To access the contact list, go to either the sales pipeline or the contacts page. You can also use the global search to find contacts. For example, you can search for a specific contact by first name. When you click the name, it opens the contact details page. The contact details page has several sections. Most importantly, on the left, you'll see the contact menu, where you can access different sections with data about the contact. If you scroll down, you'll see more details. For example, you'll see the overview, financials, and financial questionnaire. If you're connected with Catchlight, you'll also see Catchlight, appointments, accounts, documents, notes, events, tasks, workflows, and custom fields. Under Communications, you'll see all interactions with this contact, whether it's emails, forms, phone calls, or text messages. Under Miscellaneous, you can check for duplicate contacts and view the audit log for this contact. At the top of the contact details page, you'll see the contact ID, name, and email, along with the call button in the action menu. Clicking the call button will call the contact. Clicking the actions menu shows all available options, like adding a note, creating an account or task, sending an email, or sending a text. There are many actions you can take with a contact. In the Overview page, you'll find an Important Information section. This shows you key details, like the contact's email, whether the phone number is valid, and whether the email address is valid. All of this helps confirm you're working with accurate data. You can also see if the contact is a household or part of a family group. If the system detects duplicates, it flags them here, showing the duplicate's ID and exactly where that duplicate contact is in the sales pipeline. To update the contact's basic details, just click the Edit button. In that same Important Information section, you'll also find key marketing and client fields, like the source or campaign. You'll see what stage the contact is in and whether they're part of the sales pipeline. What medium was used to capture the lead? Who owns it? What's the category? When was it added? What's the client's current status? If the client is connected to Wealthbox or Redtail, you'll see a field labeled Push to Wealthbox or Push to Redtail, showing yes or no. You'll also see the contact ID in Wealthbox, and it's clickable. Clicking it opens that contact's page in Wealthbox or Redtail. You'll see the stages the contact went through. You can edit the tag from here. If you scroll down, you'll see multiple tabs with more details. The Contact Information tab shows the key contact details, followed by upcoming activities. If there are any upcoming activities, they'll appear in that section. The Activity tab shows all interactions related to this contact since it was created. The Family tab displays the family structure. The Know Your Client tab includes additional information you can track, like health details, miscellaneous info, identification, and more. Back in the Contact Information tab, you'll see Phone and Email Intelligence. If the contact came through a form, you'll also see Form Intelligence here. You can also see basic contact information, like nickname, middle name, marital status, and company. This section also includes important fields, such as the client's since date, termination reason, and termination date, if the client has been marked as terminated. You can also track additional details here, like client status, writing advisor, and servicing advisor. Under Marketing Opt-ins, you'll see preferences like Do Not Call, Do Not Email, or Do Not Text. There will be a separate video that explains these options in more detail. If you go to the menu on the left, you'll be able to see the accounts linked to this contact. If any notes have been added, you'll see them here. You'll also see a list of workflows that have run for this contact. Just click the relevant tab, and that section will open to show you the associated details. This gives you a high-level overview of the contact details page. In each card, you'll find either an Edit button or an Add button. For example, if you want to add a new email, click the Add button, choose Email from the drop-down, and you'll be able to enter a new email address for the contact. To edit an existing email, click the three dots and select Edit. If you want to update any basic contact info, Just click the Edit button and you'll be able to make those changes. If there's a drop-down field, like termination reason, you'll see a link underneath it to add more options. Clicking it opens the Settings page, where you can create additional termination reasons. Let's go back. So this wraps up the high-level overview of the Contact Details page. Remember, you can always engage with a contact using the Actions menu. Thank you.